Would you act like a robot for thousands of dollars? Many are saying yes. I was just on TikTok last night doing a little bit of research, and I came across multiple lives that had me going, WTF. I've heard of these NPC lives before, but these still had me scratching my head. This was the first one.
Lawrence, never. Shay, isn't it?
And then it got weirder.
Oh, food, please, some more. Food, please, some more.
TikTok creator Pinky Doll earned over $7,000 in a single day just by repeating the word ice cream in a squeaky voice during live streams.
Ice cream's so good. That was good. Coconut.
Instead of questioning the appeal of these online trends, we should be asking what they reveal about our fundamental human needs. Despite the seemingly nonsensical nature of repeating the word ice cream, ice cream, ice cream, these streamers attract thousands of viewers who eagerly tip them hundreds of dollars at a time. Is this absurdity of NPC streaming a reflection of our endless appetite for novel and bizarre corners of online culture? Or are they just an ingenuous entrepreneur who realized before most that sometimes nonsense pays off? Don't forget, if you love AI, I'm the guy.